Mrs. Chu？
你知冇啊 ？Sammy 佢細個嗰陣，佢每日都喺呢個廚房度食嘢，坐喺嗰度靜靜地食飯。而家佢會做出咁樣嘅嘢。
Sammy?
Dog eyes.
Dog eyes did it. Is that what Johnny told you?
幾多錢都唔值得。阿威啊，呢種生意會令人黐線嘅。我叫 Winston， 係我錯嘅，我鼓勵佢。而家揾佢，帶佢嚟呢度。
What is this shit? Hey man, stop messing around.
What the fuck, man? Let's work something out here, okay?
Ew, 你都唔撚係
，Dog
啦
eyes.
Oh shit! Move! Come and get me, huh? 屌你老母啊！Hey, you suck off Winston before he died? Huh, wait? Or were you just kissing and feeling each other, huh? Maybe she wasn't shy like that. No, you flashed a little dope and the panties disappeared.
Whoa!
Anything happens to me, Big Smiley is going to send Tom to ask questions. You got it, Way? Huh?
What's going on?
Duke, get down to the docks. I'm gonna need a pickup now.
Got it. On my way.
你冇噶啦你。
You're gonna die screaming, Wei. Huh?
我自己都驚啊。
Yeah. Oh. Go for his eyes. His eyes. Come on. You're gonna get yourself killed, man. You don't understand what's going on, man. Give it up, you fuck!
Oh my god！ 撞咩啊撞？仲唔走？好得人驚啊！
Break his fingers! Yeah, maybe he'll suffer. Hit him in the neck!
插撚佢條撚樣！
Get him! Get him now!
個撚樣啊！做低佢啦！打出嚟啊！
我中隊變植物人，懟入去。使狗皮花，要我開眼科啊！
兄弟，好嘢！做低佢啦！
What the fuck you want, man?
You've done some bad things, Sammy.
What did you call me? Huh? Nobody call me that anymore. This is about me balling your fucking sister, isn't it? Huh? You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Wake up, little brother. It's not like I put that needle in her arm. You can't take this stuff personally, Wei. It was business. You know what I'm saying?
Not to me, it wasn't.
Look, if you don't like it, you take it up with Big Smiley. He's the one who needs the pussy. I was doing my job. Oh, fuck, man. Is this what this is all about?
Yeah, and Winston, and Peggy.
Fuck!
You're coming with me.
Look, maybe we can cut a deal. All right, stop all this shit, man. And I'll make sure that Big Smiley cuts you in on one of the side business. Maybe the fucking whole damn thing. I mean, hey, we can be generous, okay? Yeah, he's gonna be the future chairman of the fucking Summer Yi.
Yeah? You and Big Smiley are pretty close, huh?
Yeah, we're tight like motherfucking brothers.
Me and Winston, we were tight too.
Get him! Get him now! Oh yeah, take your time, boys. Make it suffer. Give it up, you fuck! You there? You had enough, huh? Cause I could do this all night.
邊個正契弟？等我話你知咩？眼前一黑啊！再嚟呢個，打出佢！話俾佢知呢度邊個話事！瞄準啊！喂，喂啊 ！The car's over here.
Hey! Fuck! 要嚟啊
Where are we going?
To the restaurant.
What's going on?
We're bringing him to Mrs. Chu. She has something she wants to tell him.
Mrs. Chu. All right. We could take care of this ourselves.
Believe me, I'm tempted. You and me handle this and it'll happen fast. This son of a bitch deserves the worst we can give him.
You're the boss, Wei. I've been coming for us!
Stick it up tonight like crumb on the strip.
Oh, what the fuck you doing, huh? Wait!
Sit down and shut the fuck up.
Jesus, I haven't been here in fucking years.
Sammy 啊，我為咗你一路開住個廚房，你睇我留埋啲骨喺裏面，你中意噶嘛？係咪啊
It's cool, Mrs. Chu. I already ate.
你同我食晒佢，食咗佢。
Wait, hey! What the fuck are you doing? I'm not fucking hungry! Oh!
Sammy，你避下我面，我特登為你做噶，唔使驚。唔係淨係你一個人，你個朋友 Johnny 啊，老鼠仔佢都喺呢度啊！
What the fuck? He's crazy!
佢而家喺湯裏面，或者我將你放喺煲湯裏
Wait,
面。
if you have a problem with me, then let's sort it out ourselves, okay? We don't need to bring her into this.
Sorry. It's nothing personal. Just business.
Oh God! I'm sorry, please! No!
Fuck.
Tradition calls for us to select a temporary chairman until you are well, Uncle. A man who would continue as you would wish. If they were brazen enough to attack a wedding, we have to assume 18K will be coming after us.
I know that you are right. Wei, my boy.
Uncle, you're okay.
Thanks to you. Sister Jiang told me about the troubles between you and Big Smile Lee here. You must stop this fight at once. We must be united against our true enemies.
Yes, of course, Uncle Po.
Good. Pak Mak, see to it that Wei is formally initiated. He's been a loyal foot soldier to the Sun Han Yi. It's time to make him a red pole.
Your initiation is young Leon. He has been selling to schoolgirls and was ordered to stop. He switched to the 18K instead. Make an example of him.
Thank you. I will.
If any of your people have not been properly initiated, bring them with you. Uncle, we still need to decide who will lead us.
What about you, Pak Mak? You are my greatest friend. You know my wishes better than anyone. Would you not take my place?
No, Uncle. I am your advisor. I cannot lead in your place.
So, if not you, who then?
Chu Jin Sao. He is your true nephew, your blood. 你嘅接待人 ，Who better to preserve your wishes and keep the family together?
Tu Qian, can you handle this responsibility? Temporary chairman?
Yes, Uncle. I am ready and grateful for the opportunity.
Pak Mak, see that it is done.
喂，你知唔知阿陳太個老公張師奶？
Jackie, this way. Where are you?
Getting a massage, man. Let me tell you, the girls here are...
Listen, I got some news. I'm on my way over. We got an errand to run. See you in a few minutes.
Not so sure about this.
正所謂男人即係男人。
Jackie, you're gonna love this.
What's going on, Wei?
Well, you're about to become a full member of the Sun On Yi.
Fuck me! Are you sure?
100%.
Yeah, baby! I fucking did it, yeah! Oh, don't worry about it, my man. It'll be your turn soon.
Jackie, they're making me a red pole.
What? Holy shit, Wei! Holy fucking shit!
Well, Jackie, the dream finally comes true.
No shit! Hey, Wei, don't think I don't appreciate it. I know it wouldn't have been possible without you.
No problem, Jackie.
Man, you want to get a massage before we go? My treat. Come on, man. Best way to celebrate. You won't believe what these girls can do.
Then he said that if I stuff my panties in his mouth, he pay me extra.
So what did you do?
I put them in there, lor.
Hey,
He loved
sexy.
it.
Want to
I have to show
party?
his price afterwards.
Hey, you got a sale.
So what's
Let's
the
see if we can
problem?
chase that
Every
tension
time he
away.
asks me for something, I push the price up. Once he had my nasty little undies in there, he couldn't talk.
So what's this errand?
It's part of our initiation. You know this guy?
Holy shit! Youngest one of us, Wei. Came up in old prosperity just like you and me.
He's been dealing a kid. They ordered him to stop a couple of times.
Okay. Did they tell you much about the ceremony?
Just that we're in it.
Brothers after that. Man, Sun On Yi brothers.
Yeah.
Hey, what? I went out with you May the other day.
Finally asked her out, huh? How'd it go?
Man, I made her laugh so hard. I read that somewhere. That if you make a girl laugh, she'll fall in love with you.
I think if you're funny, she'll fall for you.
Same thing, isn't it?
Hey, where's Young? 抽，俾人話我恰細路啊！Hey, we need to talk to you.
屌你啊！
Uncle Po sent us.
冇嘢搞啊！我冇嘢做㗎。唔好意思啊，唔好意思啊。
Jackie, let's go. Jackie, let's go. Come on, let's move. You okay?
I don't know, man. I've never... Shit, Wei, I've never done that before.
I know.
Was it... I don't know, my hands are shaking, man.
Look, take a breath, Jackie. Breathe, man.
Did you see the look in the guy's eyes? I didn't expect it to be like that. I always thought about how it looked. I didn't know how it made me feel, you know? I can feel it in my stomach. Shit, Wei.
Calm down. Look, it'll wear off, okay?
Is it done?
It's done.
Good. Brothers, from today forward, your lives will be forever changed. Because today you are my brothers. We're bound to each other by blood, sworn to protect each other to the death if necessary. With our brotherhood comes duty. You will obey our leader in all things, and you will show your brothers respect always. With our brotherhood comes power. The Sun On Yi does not die. The Sun On Yi does not forget. It rewards its sons with wealth, status, and honor. It protects their businesses and their families. It cares for their children as if they were their own. Our brotherhood pays our enemies with pain, suffering, and death. And none suffers more than a traitor. Betray your brothers, and you will die 1,000 times over, slowly, in the dark. The Sun On Yi and the gods themselves will burn your soul from your body and crush the ashes with our heels. There are 32 oaths. With them, you are bound together. With them, you become Sun On Yi. Are you ready to begin?